thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to construct a gingerbread house. The bad thing is we use all of our nails. We need some nails, but we've used all of our nails on the little toys that we are building. Okay, so we're going to put it together with some semi-glue here. So we've already got the house started. Okay, all right, and we've got some snow. I think it's snow. I don't know. Maybe snowman poop. No, it's not stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do, we've got the house pretty much constructed here, but we want to make it look pretty, okay? So this is more or less to be snow. See, that's not working. Okay, so what do we got here? Oh, it's finally sticking. My house is falling completely apart. We need nails. Absolutely need nails. All right, so some more snow here. Snow's a lot up here at the North Pole, you know. Okay, here we go. All right, so we've got some other things right here that we're going to use for decoration. See, we're going to make it look like it's Christmas lights around here. See, that looks good. Uh-oh, back to that. Actually, the best thing to do, let me just eat it, okay? So, I don't know why we take the time to make these things look pretty anyway, so let's just eat up. Merry Christmas, y'all.